Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the camera app problem in your device Oppo A30 and A31. So if in these devices, if you are having any problem related to the camera app, like your camera app is not working or any other such issue, you can fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video, you will learn how you can fix the camera app problem in your device Oppo A30 and A31. Let's watch it.